Hello everyone, and welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll be working with CSV data, a common format for storing tabular data like spreadsheets or simple databases. Our goal is to write a JavaScript program that converts a CSV string into a 2D array. This task will involve splitting rows, separating values, and optionally skipping the title row. Stick around as we break this down step by step. Our task is to convert a CSV data, which is a simple text-based format, into a structured 2D array that can be used in JavaScript. The function should pass rows of the CSV string, split each row into individual values based on a delimiter, and optionally skip the title row if specified. For example, the CSV string this becomes this output when we omit the first row. Here's the JavaScript solution. Optional title row removal. If omit first row is true, we use the slice method to skip the first row of the CSV data. Row splitting. The split method breaks the CSV string into individual rows. Column splitting. For each row, split separates the values based on the specified delimiter. This concise function handles all the steps needed to convert a CSV string into a 2D array. Let's break down the process step by step. First, we take the input CSV string, the delimiter, and whether to omit the title row. If the title row should be omitted, we skip it using the slice method. Next, we split the string into rows based on new line characters. For each row, we split it into individual values based on the specified delimiter. Finally, we combine all rows into a 2D array and return the result. Here's an example. The CSV string has a title row followed by two data rows. If we keep the title row, the output is the first one. If we omit the title row, the result is the second one. This demonstrates how the function adapts based on the input parameters. The ES6 version simplifies the function using arrow functions and default parameters for cleaner and more readable code. This is especially useful for modern JavaScript development, where simplicity and readability are key. In summary, this program is a practical tool for working with CSV data in JavaScript. By handling delimiters and title rows, it provides flexibility for different use cases. Whether you're processing spreadsheet data or handling tabular datasets, this solution is both powerful and easy to use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.